Hello friends, let's discuss the problem 2sum. Given an array of integers, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. So let's see the given example. Here we have an array of integers and the numbers are 2, 7, 11 and 15 and we have to find a target sum which is 9. As we can see that the numbers on indices 0 and 1 add up to 9, we have to return an array containing 0 and 1, which are the index positions in the array. So let's see how do we approach this problem. Before that, let's also check out which all companies ask this question. So we have Amazon asking it close to 200 times, Google around 77 times, Adobe 49 times, and we have quite a few others. So this is a very popular question. So let's see how do we approach it. So what we can do for this is we can iterate through the array, store each of the numbers in a hash map. So the key will be the number itself in the array and the value will be the index of that number. After that, what we can do is compare. We'll just add first number and then when we reach the second number, we'll compare if the complement of that number is already there in the hash map. So by complement, I mean, let's say we insert 2 into the hash map, we reach to 7, we check if 9 minus 7 is already there in the hash map, and yes, it is there. We already have a 2, so we have found the result and we return the indices 0 and 1. So let's quickly write the code for it. Hash map is equal to new hash map for int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, I plus plus. So what we can first do is we can check if, let's define a variable called complement and we'll store a value of target minus nums. So this will hold. So let's say for 2 initially the complement would be 7. So while we are inserting 2, we'll just check if 7 is already present in the hash map or not. If it is already present, then we have found our pair. If it is not, then we'll still have to loop through the array. So if map.contains key complement. So if we have found our solution, we'll just have to return new array and the indices would be map.get complement. This will return us the value and comma I, which will be the current index. Now we just insert the element into the hash map. And finally, let's say if we don't find any of the elements in the array which sum up to the given target, then we can return an empty array. Sorry, not an empty array, like an array with maybe values which don't match. Fine, so let's try to run this. It passes. Let's submit it. Great, it passes. Thank you.